You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. To change the sway bar links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching our tutorial, raising your Peugeot 108 safely, before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. The sway bar links connote the sway bar to the control arms on the shock absorbers to always keep the wheels firmly on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Using a 12mm spanner, a socket wrench, and a 12mm socket, unscrew the sway bar link. Remove the lower silent block. Using a 12mm spanner, unscrew the upper sway bar link retaining nut. Use a 10mm spanner to stop the link from rotating. Remove the upper silent block. Use the jack to lift the stub axle on the other side to release the sway bar link. Then the sway bar link.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Brush and lubricate the location of the link to facilitate its reinstallation. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar links. Put the washer in place. Put the lower bearing back in place. Then insert the link into the suspension control arm. Then install the second support bearing, the second washer, the spacer. During this operation, you will work on the front end of your car. An alignment check carried out by a professional will ensure that your steering system is once again perfectly adjusted and functioning. The third washer. The third support bearing. Remove the jack. Replace the upper strut support bearing and then the washer. Next, use a crowbar to pry between the sway bar and the control arm so that you can put the link back in place. Tighten the nut. Finish tightening with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.